Hey you, hope you're doing well. I wanted to pop in before I head out for the day and do a quick tutorial on my favorite collection, the BeFit line. And I have featured this a few times in my private VIP group, but I haven't done it much on this page yet, so I wanted to share it with those that are new or just starting to follow this page or are interested in any of the products. So there's lots of good stuff going on for the holidays coming up, of course, and I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed, so I'm going to try to do a feature of certain favorites of mine and things that are being promoted through this month. But this one is definitely one of my favorites, and I use it throughout the year. This is something that is great for people that just need to get out the door, maybe go into the gym, or something that you can use on a regular basis if you're a busy mom or you're just busy and you don't have time to do full face makeup all the time, but you need some coverage. I have nothing on right now, so I'm gonna start fresh and we'll get going. But if you have questions throughout this video, please drop me some comments, or if you're catching the replay or on YouTube, leave me a comment or message me with any questions that you have. So I am gonna start off with something that is offered not necessarily in a bundle or a collection, but I have two different kinds of concealers that I use. One is a liquid wand concealer, and this one is a full coverage stick concealer that comes in a lipstick type, I guess, packaging. So literally it rolls up and rolls down just like a lipstick, but it is a full coverage concealer, okay? Lots of different colors. If you need color match, I am certified to do so. So if you need color match for concealer or foundation, please message me. So I'm gonna go on the underneath eye first, because I usually got some darkness down there. And this brightens up the eye, of course. And you want to make sure that you get the spots that really need covered, because this is a full coverage. The liquid does work, but sometimes it doesn't give me that full effect that I need. I go around the nose a little bit, and I always get my chin. I usually have a little bit of breakout sometimes in that area. And if I haven't gotten under control with my skincare yet, I usually try to cover it up a little bit. Okay, so basically T-zone, under eye, and then a little bit on the chin. I'm going to take a foundation blending flat brush. This is one of my favorite brushes that I use. As far as brushes, we do offer them. They are synthetic. They are not real hair. We are out of them right now, but I have a feeling they're going to come back full force this month. So keep an eye out for those. If you are looking for good brushes, this is actually a, this is Bare Minerals, I believe. I have a couple Bare Minerals brushes that I've kept, and they're really nice. I'm a collector of brushes from everywhere, honestly. If it works, I want it. So I don't necessarily have a preference. I do like real hair brushes versus synthetic. Some people prefer the other just because of the whole animal cruelty thing, and I am not for that either. However, it does apply better in my opinion. So that's up to you. All right, so this is just the concealer, and as you can see, it's brightened up a little bit, those areas. And you can always add more after you do your foundation or whatever have you. Some people do it after the foundation. I usually do it before, and then I touch it up if I need to. So the first item from the BeFit line I'm going to use is the BeFit Tinted Moisturizer. This is the lightest of our foundations, and then there's a CC and a BB cream. So this is the lightest. It's like light to medium coverage. However, you could do one or two layers of this, applications of this. I usually do one, and then I use our BeFit CC powder, and I'll show you in just a second. So this is super light on the skin. This has moisturizer in it, so this is going to be great for winter months especially, or if you have normal to dry skin. Also, the same goes for the BB and CC cream. They have SPF in them. They also have mineral infused in them. So this is great though if you have a normal to dry skin and you just need something to, you know, quick to get out the door with. So I suggest using some type of applicator, whether it be a brush or a sponge. Totally up to you. I always get about a dime size on my hand to work from, and then if I need to add more, I do. I'm gonna go in with my regular foundation brush, give it an even dab, and it's super light. All of our products smell really good. They are vegan and 95% of them are gluten-free. I will double check on this one and see if it is gluten-free, and I'm pretty sure it is. So I evenly distribute it, especially in those areas that need coverage and need some moisture. And again, you can always add more if you need it. I usually am good with one layer. Make sure you get that jawline. And this comes in 4 or 5 different color combinations, I believe. Some people do mix them, and I always say if you like a certain color, or if you're like in between 2 colors, mix them together. There's nothing wrong with that, and I do that for customers as well. Make suggestions on mixing, or I can mix it for you. But don't be afraid to mix foundation colors, because that's how you get the right color. All right, so next I'm gonna use this is something I use every day, whether I use the collection or not. This is our BeFit CC powder. So this is a color correcting powder, also goes great with the CC foundation. So this has all the color correcting colors in it. And some people do this before their foundation too, or after. I usually do it after. And I usually get a little bit red on the nose area and the cheeks. So this is a nice way to get that even color. And if you want to add it a little bit to the top, you can. This also has a glossy finish, so this kind of gives it a more matte finish. For those of you that like to use more moisturized based or oily based foundations, if you want a more matte and you don't necessarily like matte foundation, if you put powder over it, it gives it a more of a matte finish. Okay, so then let's see what else I have. Those are the 2 main things that I use. We also have a BeFit water resistant mascara. It's great. It's my second favorite. My first favorite is our 3D mascara. Oh yes, so we have our clear gel for your eyebrows. So if you got kind of crazy eyebrows going on, or you want to just flatten them a little bit, we have this clear in the BeFit Collection. We also have colored ones in our regular eye collection. So if you want a little tint of color with applying this, you can do that. Or if you have darker brows, then you can go with the clear. Totally up to you. You want to move in an upward swiping motion and then out. So that way you get that natural brow move. See how smooth that made that? This side you can tell a little bit that's kind of been slept on, janky. This just smooths those hairs out and keeps them flat. Okay, so that's what a brow gel does. And if you're not real good at drawing brows on, this is the way to go. Especially if you just need some color in yours and you have a good shape, then I would suggest the brow gel. Okay, that also comes in this collection. So now, make sure I'm not missing anything. The only thing I'm going to be missing is the lip color, which I'm not sure I'm going to use today. So, again, this is just your basic coverage, okay? So if it's not going to come off in the gym, it is moisturizing, and this is also a water-resistant mascara that I'm about to use. So if you want to, and sometimes I do, to brighten up the eye a little bit, just put a light color on the inner corner of the eye. I actually am going to do that because I'm a little sleepy today. So I'm going to use my 3-in-1 palette and use this middle color to kind of brighten up the eye a little bit. And you can use a blending side of, this is a 2-sided brush. You can use a blending long brush for this if you want. It's easier to get it in the corner and it just brightens up the eye area. Okay. You may not be able to tell right now, but you can tell in the daylight, I promise you. You can add a little bit underneath your brow to kind of open up that eye area. All right, so then we're gonna go in with our mascara. And this is a little bit thicker of a mascara, and the wand is like normal to curved. I'll show you that. It's kind of got a dip in the middle, but it's thick, and I like thick brushes. I don't like the plastic ones. I like bristles preference, totally up to you. We do have ones that are like that. Our newest mascara, which I haven't tried yet, is one of those that is double-sided, and it's not bristle, it's the plastic or like the synthetic. So those just don't seem to do well on my lashes because I do thankfully have long, thick lashes. So that is just the mascara by itself, right? It opens up the eye really nice. It's nice and full. You can do 1 or 2 layers, but that is just 1 layer. Okay, you can tell the difference. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And if you want, you can do the lower lashes too. It's amazing what just mascara can do if you have the right thing. So, also if you need help growing your lashes or your eyebrows back, we do have a lash serum for that. And it's also mineral infused, so that would be a great gift. We actually have a Christmas gift package that has that in it. Okay, that's just mascara, y'all. Just mascara. And that is, again, part of our BeFit collection. Now I'm going to use something that I also use every day. This is a finishing and refreshing spray. This is great. Now we do have a couple different mineral setting sprays, but this is the one that comes in this particular collection, and this is by far my favorite so far. I've had a couple people get the new mineral spray foundation that is the Farmasi, regular Farmasi brand, and then this is the Farmasi BeFit collection. So this can be used as a refresher, just to freshen the face, the body, whether, you know, maybe you went to the gym and you just need to cool off, or you need to set your makeup. It's good for both things. So a couple sprays and you're good. It smells good and it feels really nice on the skin. And you can use this without any makeup too. It's a great face refresher. And then also from this collection I use every day is the BeFit Face and Body Wet Wipes. So these are great for refreshing as well if you need to wipe down after the gym, or if you need to remove your makeup. This is great. We do have other makeup removers, but this is my favorite because it doesn't leave any of that after residue, and it really, I feel like it really works on my skin. It clears it up. It gives it a nice fresh feel. So this is by far my favorite that we offer. All right, so that's the whole collection minus the lip tint. There is a lip and cheek tint that comes in this, and it's a berry color. It smells like berries. It tastes like berries. It's a beautiful color, and that would complete this collection. So if you have questions on this, please let me know. Comment anything that you would like to share. And please check out the website with all the upcoming goodies for the holidays. If you need help picking out a gift for someone, please message me. If you need color matched for anything, message me. If you're unsure about any product that is on the site or that you may be looking for or wondering about, I'm here to help you. So if I don't know it, I will ask somebody that I can get the information from. So I'm actually going to use one last thing, which I mentioned the other day, is our lip conditioner. So this is made from shea butter. It goes on clear. It's white. And I use this a lot throughout the year, especially in the winter. This is better than any chapstick that I've ever used, not gonna lie to you. And it smells good too. So there's also 2 new lip things that came out this month yesterday. It's a lip scrub and a lip balm, I want to say. And it's on the first page of the website too, so you can check those out. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you guys go vote today if you haven't already. I'm about to do that myself, grab some lunch and go vote. But I will chat with you guys later, and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Have a good one. Bye.